Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Turkish ebook before it's gone.
Hello everyone, this is Celine and welcome to Turkish Weekly Words. So as usual, I don't know the topic of the lesson yet. It's a surprise for me as well. So let's find out together. Solar system. Okay. In Turkish, we say Güneş sistemi. Basically, Güneş means sun. So yeah, solar, same, solar system. Güneş sistemi. Dünya, earth. In English, sometimes you can say earth and sometimes you say world, right? But we don't have different words. We use the same one, dünya. So there are 7 billion people living in the world. Dünyada 7 milyar insan yaşıyor. Gezegen, planet. Gezegen is planet. Planet is gezegen. Well, we used to have 9 planets, but since Pluto is not accepted as planet anymore, we have 8 left, right? So let's say we have 8 planets in our solar system. Güneş sistemimizde 8 gezegen vardır. Mars. Mars. Maybe the pronunciation is a bit different. We don't say Mars, but instead we're saying like Mars. Do you think there are aliens on Mars? Sizce Mars'ta uzaylılar var mı? I said sizce. It's kind of formal, not so formal, but formal way of saying this sentence. If you want to say this sentence to your friend, then you should say sence instead of sizce. Sence Mars'ta uzaylılar var mı? Or sizce Mars'ta uzaylılar var mı? Uzaylı is alien. I think there are, but not in Mars. We are not alone. Kuyruklu yıldız. Comet. Halley's Comet is visible to naked eye from Earth in every 75 to 76 years. So let's say in Turkish. Halley, kuyruklu yıldızı, her 75 yılda bir çıplak gözle dünyadan görülebilir. Yıldız. Star. Starry night is yıldızlı gece. If it's a starry night, then the weather will be nice tomorrow. Eğer yıldızlı bir gece varsa, yarın hava güzel olacak demektir. Thank you so much for watching. Today we talked about the solar system. And if you guys want to learn Turkish more, if you want to watch more videos, then please visit turkishclass101.com. So see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. There must be aliens for sure. I'm sure.
Hi everyone! Do you know the 1,000 most useful phrases in Turkish? In this lesson, you'll be able to know all of them, so sit back, relax, and have a cup of tea as you listen and learn.
Banyo nerede?
Affedersin.
Harika.
Rezervasyonum var.
Bu ne kadar? Bu nedir? Teşekkür ederim. Gerçekten mi?
Bana bir indirim yapabilir misiniz? Wi-Fi ücretsiz mi?
Ben keki alabilir miyim? Öneriniz var mı? Bunu deneyebilir miyim?
You just learned the 1,000 most useful phrases in Turkish. And if you're interested in learning more, try learning the Core 2000 word list. With this, you'll understand 95% of the language, and best of all, this is not a joke. Check out the description below and go to turkishclass101.com now. See you next time.
Hi everyone. everyone, this is Celine and welcome to Turkish Weekly Words. Are you ready to learn Turkish? Then let's find out today's topic. Studying a language. Dil öğrenmek. Yes, that's what we are doing right now. Studying a language. Okumak. Read. I like to read and I like to learn foreign languages actually. Do you know I can speak Japanese somehow? Do you guys like to read? If you want to say, I can speak Turkish, but I cannot read, then you go like that. Türkçe konuşabiliyorum ama okuyamıyorum. Tekrar etmek. Repeat. Yes, you should repeat all these Turkish words, right? That I'm teaching you. So, repeat after me. Okay, if you want to say repeat after me, then you say benden sonra tekrar edin. Repeat after me. Benden sonra tekrar edin. Ders. Lesson. Do you like Turkish lessons? Türkçe derslerini seviyor musunuz? Let's say it more like in natural Turkish. Türkçe derslerini seviyor musunuz? Do you like my Turkish lessons? Yüksek sesle okumak. Read aloud. Yeah, I think it's helpful if you want to learn a Turkish. No, I mean if you want to learn any foreign language. Can you read aloud this sentence? Bu cümleyi yüksek sesle okuyabilir misin? Konuşmak. Speaking. How many languages can you speak? Kaç tane dil konuşabiliyorsun? I can speak Turkish, English, and German, and Japanese. Hallo, ich bin Celine und ich komme aus der Türkei. Freut mich. How about Japanese? I'm gonna make self-introduction. Are you ready? こんにちは。私の名前はセリンです。24歳です。ダンスをするのが大好きです。よろしくお願いします。Yay. So, yes, over. I'm really curious how many languages can you speak. So, if you just read a comment below, then I'm going to read all of them. If you want to see more videos, please don't forget to visit turkishclass101.com. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Hi everyone, this is Celine and welcome to Turkish Weekly Words. So let's find out today's topic. Home tools are my favorite topic. Çekiç. Hammer. Çekiç. A hammer is used to drive nails. Çivi çakmak için çekiç kullanılır. Çivi çakmak için çekiç kullanılır. Tık, tık, tık, tık, tık, tık. Testere. Saw. A saw is used to cut trees. Testere ağaç kesmek için kullanılır. Which is actually not good, but it's just an example. Tornavida. Screwdriver. A screwdriver is a tool for removing screws. Tornavida çivileri sökmek için kullanılır. Tornavida çivileri sökmek için kullanılır. Mezura. Tape measure. So actually there are two types of tape measures. One of them is made of plastic and more flexible, and the other one is like self-retracting tape measure. So for the plastic one we say mezura, and for the other one we generally use metre. Metre, mezura. So with a tape measure you can measure your waist. Let's say with a tape measure you can measure your waist. Mezurayla belinizi ölçebilirsiniz. Ding, ding, ding, ding, ding. I got fat. Alet kutusu. Toolbox. Every Turkish father has a toolbox. Yes. I mean, I don't think it's true, but generally. Her Türk babasının bir alet kutusu vardır. So that's all for today, and thank you guys for watching. If you want to watch more videos, please visit turkishclass101.com. See you. Bye bye. Hey guys, merhaba, nasılsınız? Welcome to Turkish Weekly Words. The lesson is a surprise for me. I don't know what I'm going to talk about because it's a surprise, as I told you. So let's find out together. Months of the year. Yılın ayları. Başlayalım. Let's start. Eylül. September. We actually use this word as like a girl name in Turkish. There are some Turkish girls whose name is September. We use it, yeah. And I think it's a pretty name actually. Eylül adında bir arkadaşım var. I have a friend whose name is Eylül. June. Haziran. I like summertime. Maybe it's because I was born in summer. So June is kind of my favorite. Not my favorite, my second favorite after my birthday. Haziran'da hava çok sıcaktır. Weather is very hot in June. Aralık. December. So it's Christmas time, maybe, right? But we don't celebrate Christmas. Oh, it's too bad, right? We celebrate New Year actually, but we don't celebrate December 25. Aralık'ta İstanbul'da kar yağar. In December, it snows in Istanbul, but it doesn't snow at all in where I came from, Antalya. Ocak. January. My mom's birthday, January 27. Yeah, I'm not gonna say her age. Maybe she'll be angry. Ocak'ta annemin doğum günü var. My mom's birthday is in January. Ağustos. August. And my birthday is in August. Remember well. Benim doğum günüm 16 Ağustos'ta. My birthday is August 16. And I'm a Leo. Actually, I don't believe in, but I'm a Leo. Yeah. I think that's all for this video. And if you want to watch more videos, please visit turkishclass101.com. See you guys in the next video. Görüşürüz. Kendinize iyi bakın. Take care. Bye bye. Hi everybody, I'm Celine from TurkishClass101.com. Do you know what monsters Turkish people are scared of? In this lesson, you'll learn about 3 scary monsters in Turkey. Let's start with the most popular monster. Gulyabani. Gulyabani. It can be translated as ghoul in English. It's a giant with a long beard and he carries a staff. He haunts travelers and eats human flesh. That sounds pretty scary, right? You might have heard about the next monster. The next one is Al Karısı. Al Karısı. This translates as the woman of red. The woman in red hounds female horses and other women after childbirth. Also, this female spirit hounds babies after they are born. Okay, here's the last monster. Hortlak. Hortlak. Have you heard of this next one? This translates to zombie in English. The Hortlak is a poltergeist that rises from the grave. It's usually the restless spirit of an unhappy dead person. Often the Hortlak can change shape or become invisible. It lives off of blood and eats raw flesh. Let's wrap up this lesson by recapping what we've learned. Listen to the names of each monster and repeat after me. Ghoul. Gulyabani. Gulyabani. Woman in red. Al karısı. Al karısı. Zombie. Hortlak. Hortlak. Well done! Do you know how Turkish people celebrate Halloween? Celebrating Halloween is not a Turkish tradition, but the locals enjoy it with expatriate friends and foreigners. Big parties are thrown at private homes or restaurants. And that's it. You just learned about 3 of the scariest monsters in Turkey. Now learn Turkish twice as fast by downloading all your PDF cheat sheets, including survival phrases, pickup lines, business etiquette, and more. Check out the description below and go to turkishclass101.com now. I'll see you next time. Bir dahaki dersimize kadar görüşmek üzere. Cool.
Expand your vocabulary with our Core 2000 Words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free Turkish ebook before it's gone.